Hey guys, welcome. Today we're talking about RV inspections. Why are they important? I'll give you 5 reasons why I think that you should get that RV inspected before making your purchase. Doesn't matter if it's new or used. There can always be issues with RVs, even straight off the lot. It's always really important to get that RV taken a look at by a professional who's going to look it over, go through it with a fine-tooth comb, find out everything that's right, everything that's wrong with that unit. So the number one reason I think you should have an RV inspection is it provides you an out. You know, if there's a lot wrong with that RV, or I always call them a showstopper. If there's if say they find a problem with the roof. I mean, no. Anytime you mix an RV with water, it's a recipe for disaster. So, that can be fixed a lot of times. It's not something you really want to go in purchasing an RV that has water issues to begin with. Say the RV inspector goes in, he finds a showstopper, it provides you with an out for the deal. Number 2, he's going to be able to highlight the cost and maintenance of what it's going to take to get this RV up to 100% as soon as you're getting it off the lot. So it's kind of interesting. The used RVs, used boats, used vehicles. Anytime you're buying anything used, there are going to be maintenance issues with them. The tires aren't brand new. Everything inside the unit is used somewhat. So he's going to be able to tell you if there's going to be immediate cost, immediate maintenance that needs to be done. 3, now this is a biggie, safety. He's going to check all the safety items on your rig. I see a lot of times the smoke detector might not be working. And that's something you really need to know up front, So if that's not working or it needs to be replaced or whatever, I mean, that's just one of those small issues that can highlight some of those areas. There's always seems to be carbon monoxide detectors, smoke detectors, GFCI outlets, wear on the tires, the treads of the tires. Take a look at that. He's going to really find out if this unit's safe for you and your family to be driving down the road. So the 4th thing, the whole report will encompass is it's going to give you a negotiating tool. So you might, anytime when you're dealing with a buyer and a seller, as a buyer, you may take the stand on something needs to be replaced on the RV. The seller might say, that's just normal wear and tear. There's nothing to that. But if you get a kind of a third party, the inspector can really highlight those issues for you and give you a little bit more ammunition to be able to negotiate the repair or the maintenance that's going to need to be done. So an inspection report's a really good negotiating tool. And when you have that inspector out there, if you plan on getting an extended warranty, that a lot of these units now you can buy an extended warranty. If you plan to get an extended warranty, usually the extended warranty company will want somebody qualified to go out there, take a look at the unit, fill in the form for them, so they can feel comfortable with how the unit is performing when you purchase it. So I've had the inspector fill out the paperwork for that in the past, and it's kind of a bonus because there's no really extra cost to that. He's just going to fill that form out and send it in for you. So that's kind of a bonus that I've used inspectors for in the past. So yeah, saying all that, make sure if you're buying a used RV or even a new RV to get yourself a qualified inspector, go out and take a look at it. If you need help with that, just go ahead and give me a call, give me an email, whatever. I can help you with finding a qualified inspector in your area. All right, today we're looking at a 2019 Citation. It's a great looking unit. Let's go take a look. This beautiful 2019 Thor Citation Class C motor coach has a layout that is a match for those who are looking for the freedom and comfort of the road. Whether you're looking for time away from the stress of everyday life or a unit that can withstand full-time living, this coach will deliver.
Accommodations include a rear full-size bed, convertible dinette, and a cab over bunk. Other notable features include a 100-watt solar charging system with a power controller, Winegard Connect, Onan 3600 LP generator, power charging station, interior and exterior 32-inch televisions, and a tankless water heater. This RV is powered by a Mercedes diesel engine and includes all the amenities you need, and it's under 26 feet.
Thanks for watching. And if you're considering selling your RV, please contact me. I help individual owners market their RVs nationwide. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.